Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. We just wrapped up a quick job on this boat. It's a 2008 GillGetter. It's 14 foot long, 7 foot wide. The customer already redid his floor just a couple years ago with the extreme duty vinyl, so heavy duty vinyl from Pontoon Stuff. But the seats were going. We'll show you those right now. These are the seats and the console that were on this boat. They're about 15 years old. The seams are starting to peel. We can see some foam. The biggest thing though, these are wood bases, believe it or not. And they're not all rotten. It's not the worst I've ever seen, but they're just gonna go at some point. And maybe they'll make somebody else something great, who knows? But we replaced them because they're just falling apart. Seams giving out here. The console, the stereo was glued in somehow. It wasn't installed properly. You know, just all scuzzy and mildewy. So that's why this boat got new seats to go with the new floor. The new seats on this boat are the premium from pontoonstuff.com. You can purchase all of these seats along with other color options too at pontoonstuff.com. Remember to use Tom's Toons at checkout to save 5% on your whole purchase. This color scheme is the gray base with navy and charcoal accents, big puffy cushions, really comfortable, tons of storage, and unlike those old seats, plastic bases. Makes it easy. We're able to transfer over his speakers from his stereo right into the bases of these. The console is the standard console with the same accent panel on it. If you come around on this 7 foot wide boat, it actually lines up really well. We have a left armrest, a 38-inch bench. Again, tons of storage underneath there. A 28 bench, and then a right armrest. That acts as the captain's seat. We're able to reconfigure the controls and the gauge just a little bit to make it more comfortable, easier to operate. And he supplied a stereo. We're able to integrate that right into the standard console from Pontoon Stuff. So just something to think about when your boat, the floor might be in good shape, even if you have carpet and you don't mind it, keep the carpet, but get rid of the seats. Any of the spots in this boat where the seats didn't quite line up, you can see some of the color changes. We cleaned it the best we could, and this will all kind of mesh in as we go. But where the old holes were, we just use a similar colored silicone, and unless you're looking for it, it's not really gonna stand out at all. That keeps the wood from getting wet and everything. This simple upgrade, this could be done in one weekend if you're not going further or doing any other electrical stuff. If you're just swapping seats, look at all of our videos. You can take a peek at how to assemble and install all of them. Quick and easy, and makes this boat look brand new again. Thanks for watching.